Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about 10 best ways for students to make money online in 2024. With the rise of the internet, students can now start working online even without a degree. Gone are the days when people needed a university degree to be successful or land a good job. Now, students just need to possess specific skills that can help them find good freelance opportunities and make good money. Anyone with the right set of skills and knowledge can make passive income, even while pursuing a college degree. These trending skills can even help people start and run their business. 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a booming industry with ample opportunities to learn and work. It might soon transform traditional marketing techniques such as newspapers, banners, radio broadcasts, and magazines. Anyone who aspires to be a digital marketer must understand the fundamentals of this field to make a promising career and handle big projects efficiently. Upon completing the digital marketing training course, you will master the art of engaging the target audience, driving traffic to websites, increasing lead conversions, aligning marketing strategies with brand vision, and more. 2. Website development. Almost every brand and company owns a website. So web development is surely an important skill that can help earn money online in India for students. As more and more businesses are launching their websites to showcase their products and services, the demand for skilled web developers will only rise. The best part is it is not that challenging. You need to invest a few months to learn all the relevant concepts to build responsive and engaging websites. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is among the easiest and most hassle-free ways to earn money as a student. You can do it while completing your studies. The best part is you can do it from home with minimum investment. Your job will be to promote products and services and earn money. However, you must have a clear understanding of the products you are promoting. We would recommend you learn the basics of affiliate marketing, as it will help you land a promising job in the beginning. The company you will work for will take care of most things, including customer service and product delivery. You just have to focus on marketing. 4. Video editing. There is no denying that videos are the most impactful and powerful marketing tool. Whether you want to promote a product, service, music, news, or any other purpose, video content can bring a large number of audiences. With video content becoming so popular, there is a high demand for video editing skills. A video editor makes a simple and boring video visually compelling, engaging, and sophisticated. The best part is you don't need any expensive equipment or tools to make professional videos. A computer at home and exceptional video editing skills would suffice. You can make videos for social media, YouTube, websites, or other platforms, depending on the requirements of your clients. 5. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization needs no introduction. It's a key aspect of digital marketing and offers various lucrative freelance opportunities. It refers to the process of increasing website traffic and improving its search engine results through organic SEO strategies. As an SEO specialist, you will be responsible for boosting the ranking of websites by working on on-page and off-page SEO. Also, you will have to optimize the website content to compel potential customers to visit the website. 6. Content writing. Another way to make money online as a student is content writing. You need not join a dedicated course to be a content writer. It helps you get familiar with grammar rules, have a flair for writing interesting and engaging content, and possess exceptional editing skills. If you are a blogger, then knowledge of what works for readers and what kind of content is appreciated can work wonders. Companies are constantly looking for freelance writers to generate content for websites, product descriptions, social media, blogs, and more. The key to being an efficient content writer is research. 7. Copywriting. Copywriting and content writing are often used as synonyms, and people confuse these two as the same field. However, the two are completely different fields and need a different set of skills. If you are good at one-liners and can write compelling copies for social media or brand taglines, then copywriting is a great chance to make money online as a student. You will need to come up with interesting ad copies to educate and engage users by writing banner advertisements, product descriptions, jingles, social media captions, taglines, and email blasts. Your job description includes brainstorming ideas and concepts that connect with potential buyers and evoke responses. 8. Graphic designing. Anyone with a knack for design, color schemes, and art can make a career as a graphic designer. It is another computer-based job with several lucrative jobs, be it as a full-time or freelance designer. It allows you to create innovative designs to convey the brand message and vision to users. You can find a remote or part-time job with a web design firm, interior design company, or internet marketing company. This is certainly a great way to make online for beginners. Looking at the demand for graphic designers, we are sure there will be more opportunities for graphic designers in the future. Although the job market is highly competitive, once you find a job, you can make decent earnings monthly and grab better opportunities with more experience and expertise. 9. Data analytics. Although data analytics is among the most sought-after jobs, there are still not enough professionals in the field. So companies are always looking for proficient data analysts for their projects. A recent survey has concluded that data analytics jobs will rise from 360,000 to 2,700,000 in the coming years. As a data analyst, you will evaluate, clean, transform, and model data sets to get meaningful insights and make informed decisions. 10. Project management. If you possess communication and organizational skills, then project management can be a great option for you. It doesn't require any technical skills, but you need to manage various aspects of a project of developing products and services. Also, you will look after the entire team and each member's work. You will be managing an entire project from start to finish. To acquire better knowledge about each aspect of operations, you can start by being an individual contributor and learn about each department. Project managers can find good-paying jobs in different industries, including technical, healthcare, financial, etc. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.